Ambuja Cement would be declaring its earnings today. Now, when you're talking about Ambuja Cements, it would be amongst the last cement companies within the cement sector to actually declare its earnings. Now, talking about the entire cement universe, the cement universe this particular quarter has delivered a stellar set of results. Most of the cement companies have managed to outperform as far as volume expectations or offtake expectations were concerned. Realizations have been quite strong. EBITDA per ton for the entire cement universe this particular quarter has been quite strong, given the fact that most of the companies have kept a tight leash as far as their costing was concerned. Now, talking about ACC, now remember, Ambuja as well as ACC share the same parent company, Lafarge-Holcim. ACC actually delivered an inline to moderately disappointing set of results in the quarter gone by. However, post the results, Lafarge-Holcim actually for the first time held an analyst meet with most of the analysts who tracked the company very closely, and the commentary over there was quite strong, quite encouraging, especially regarding the master supply agreement, the cost saving agreement as far as ACC and Ambuja is concerned. So on this particular backdrop, in this particular context, looking at the expectations that have been built in by the analysts, ET now did a poll across most of the brokerages, seeing what is it that they were expecting from the results of Ambuja this particular quarter. Now, talking about the expectations, revenues are seen higher by close to 10%, close to the 3,400 mark. EBITDA is seen close to the 730 crore mark. We're talking about the profitability being higher by close to 4% at the 470 crore mark. Margins, EBITDA margins, are expected higher by over 450 basis points over the 21% mark. Now, talking about the key highlights of the quarter gone by, Macquarie expects the sales volumes to be up by 8% on a year-on-year basis. They're also expecting the sales realizations to be up by almost 1% on a year-on-year basis. Remember, pricing was quite strong. A strong recovery was seen in the pricing post the lifting of the lockdown, and volume offtake demand is something that has stabilized across most of the major regions, given the fact that there was pent-up demand as well as some green shoots of recovery as far as construction activity was concerned. The other important thing is that this particular quarter you did see CCI, Competition Commission of India, raiding the offices of most of the major cement companies, alleging or trying to probe whether cement companies had actually colluded in artificially hiking prices. Now, commentary on this particular development is something that the market would be watching out for very closely. Overall, some of the other key things to watch out for from the results: volume trends, commentary on demand, overall outlook as far as the construction activity in India is concerned, and whether ACC and Ambuja both announce any further tie-ups in terms of cost-saving initiatives and any capacity expansion plans on the anvil as far as Ambuja Cement is concerned.